Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope you are fine. Please open your workbooks today. As you know that we were doing the lesson number 4, collecting things, and in our workbook I have chosen an exercise that we just did in our book. The exercise about transitive and intransitive verbs. Students, let's recall what we have talked about transitive and intransitive verbs. A transitive verb is a verb that accepts one or more objects. Or you can say a verb can be described as transitive or intransitive based on whether it requires an object to express a complete thought or not. Okay? A transitive verb always needs to transfer its action to something else. Object is a thing that accepts the accepts the action, effects of action. So in transitive verbs there will always be an object, whereas an intransitive verb will always make sense without it. You remember, even that day I gave you the same example. Please bring coffee. In that sentence, the verb bring is transitive because its object is coffee. Coffee is a thing that is being brought. Without an object of some kind, this verb cannot function. For example, if we will say, please bring, what to bring or who to bring? Yani it conveys incomplete sense. So in a nutshell, we can say transitive verb is affected by the action of verb. It is in the following sentences. For example, she loves animals. What is object here? Animals. It is transitive. So in these examples, in this exercise, they said underline the verbs in the following. Say whether the verb is transitive or intransitive. First, you will have to underline the transitive underline the verb. Then you will explain it is transitive or intransitive. Asad read the newspaper with interest. What is verb here? Read is our verb. And it is transitive because the paper is our object. Asad is reading what? Is reading the paper. B is Samir and Iqbal laughed loudly. Underline the word laughed. It is our verb and it is intransitive because it does not have any object in this sentence. Can you find any? No, we can't. C is flowers of many kinds grow here. Again, this is grow is our verb and it is intransitive verb because there is again no object in this sentence. Okay. Number D, the gardener grows roses and violets. Please underline grows. Grows is our verb here, is an action word, and roses and violets are our objects. What the gardener is growing? Roses and violets. So this is our transitive verb. The last is the Prime Minister picked up the telephone. Picked is our verb and this is transitive because the telephone is our object. Okay. What the Prime Minister is picking up? The telephone. So this is transitive. Students, I hope you have understood the concept and difference between transitive and intransitive. That one is without object and other is with object. Okay? One is with full information in the sentence and other is conveying half information in the sentence. Okay? This is all about the transitive and intransitive. Inshallah, with some new lesson we will meet in our next classes. Students, the exercises which I have not chosen, we will not talk about it. They are it is understood that those exercises are skipped. For example, in this lesson of workbook, we have chosen only this exercise to be talked about, because we have shortened the material which we are going through in our online classes. Okay, so see you tomorrow, inshallah. Goodbye.